last night, it didn't came up my mind that I was the one tasked to deliver a feedback on behalf of you classmates. So I just made a short feedback this morning. Okay. Putting up a training like this is a great idea. A great idea because it enables the community people like us to have an access on informations that would provide us with competent skills and knowledge. And for that, I would like to say on behalf of your classmates, thank you LG Ballesteros and the coordination
Audio.
Tesla.
Audio.
On the first day, we met our big boss with a big heart, Mr. Noni M. Pagadu, who unselfishly opened his brilliant mind for us. We met good friends too. Some are single but are not available, and some are married but still ready to mingle. But whatever our status will be, what important is we build up a good camaraderie as we together learn the different strokes in massage. Expectations have been set on the first day, like we expect that our trainer will be hard to reach out because his facial expression on the first day was very serious, like a candidate who is waiting for the result of election by tomorrow. But we were wrong because Sir Noni is a humble person who is ready to open his ears to hear some of our concerns. We expect that we could only touch our friend's body during the massage demo. But again, we are wrong. Dahil naka-close din natin ang katawan ng mga kasamahan natin na nung unay mga estranghero pa lamang. And lately became our friends. We expect that we could only have a single snack in a day. Pero mali naman. Because instead of single, ginawang double, twice a day. We expect na yung mga inassign na partner natin for the return demo for the massage ay magpapakipot, magpamasahe. But again, we were wrong. Dahil ipinitin pa pa nila na imasahe sila ulit nang wala na siya. Guys, our expectations have been exceeded much than what we expect for. And these were possible because of the initiative of the LGU Ballesteros and the TESDA, of course. Because of Sir Noni's generosity, and of course because of our passion to massage therapy training, making this training successful. Guys, meron akong mga pinandang title ng kanta na medyo corny. Una, next in line. To the LGU Ballesteros, ano yung next in line po na training? Sana i-text niyo po kami. To Sir Noni Pagadu, Sir, kung tayo magkakalayo, sana mag-practice ka, magputing itigak ka mga kalayo. To the LGU members, to all persons who are here today, classmates, sana'y maulit-uli ang shot moment natin kagabi.